This is slowed down. I can maybe get it a little bit slower than that. That's why the other one you're hearing. Needs a piece of solder on the end of the thing. And a gas tank. My fuel Ventura. She's got carbon in her. I can stand to be listening to that. It made a world of difference that little, made them two pieces there. I'll take them off and do a little grinding and pan them. I want to make sure it's going to go together. I need to get some fittings for another oil or brass oil or nice old engine. Thanks.